welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my mom's hair. So I'm putting some braids in her hair. I actually got these pre-looped crochet box braids from Ywigs, and they come with the human hair like already added in for the boho goddess style. I think that's what they call y'all. But yeah, so this is what I got. I got 3 bundles, and they have, no, I'm lying. I got 4 bundles, y'all. So they have 40 pieces in each of the bundles, and I only used 3. That's what it was. So I'm starting off by parting her hair off. So I'm doing it like a weave because I'm going to do the regular crochets in the middle, like the cornrows going straight down in the middle. And then I'm going to do the individuals around the base so that she can like pull it up and do different styles if she wants to. So right now, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and section everything up, and then I'm going to braid everything down. So I'm using my Lovely Beast edge control, of course, to do like my parting and stuff. And then I'm connecting all of the braids. Well, connecting them into 2 so I don't have like a big old braid at the end. So I divided it into 2 sections. And then I'm connecting them. So I just have those little braids on the ends. And then I'm going to crisscross those underneath each other, like underneath the rest of the braids, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to sew it like that. Now for the rest of the hair, I'm going to do like little individual pieces. So I'm going to do all of these into tiny braids. And I actually think I did them too small for the size of the braids that I had. So I didn't show it because it was really tedious, y'all. I feel like I could have did the parts a little bit bigger, but this was my first time like ever doing any type of crochet anything. So I just kind of winged it for my mom, and I feel like I could have made them a little bit bigger, and she doesn't like that much hair on her head anyway. And I feel like it was kind of a lot of hair, but she said it wasn't heavy at all. But yeah, you guys will see the finished look. And then for these braids, I'm going to crochet the hair through the braids. I'll show you guys in a second. So I put the crochet needle through the base of the braid that I made, the little individual, and then clamped on the braid to the loop and pulled it through. And then once I got it through, I went ahead and looped the actual individual through the loop again to like make it into a knot. And then once I did that, I'm going to take the rest of my mom's hair that's like laying out the little individual piece, and I'm going to like use that and loop it through the braid. So I'm going to take the crochet hook and I'm going to like slide it through, like keep looping it through the braid, and then I'm going to pull my mom's hair through that. I can't really explain it, but when I show you, it'll make sense. So I just did that same technique for all of the individuals that were around the hair, and then for the braids going in the middle, it was just the beginning part, like just the looping it through and then putting it in a little knot. So this is what it looks like in the back. I got the whole back done. So I did 3 rows in the back, 2 rows on the side, and I believe 3 rows at the top. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do the middle portion. So this part was really quick because I didn't have to pull the braid through. So yeah, I just went ahead and looped those through. And I think I really put too many in the middle of this, y'all. So I did the braids smaller than I expected. I don't know why I be braided so small. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do this whole middle. So this is what the middle looks like all done, and then I can make my way to the top. Don't you know I let you I got to the top, I actually attached all of the fake hair to my mom's hair first. You can see like all of her little individuals peeking through because I figured it would be a little bit more faster. Like maybe this would save time if I could do that first and then go back and pull all the braids through, like pull all of her braids through the hair. And I think it did save a little bit of time when I did that, but then I left this last one because I figured it'd be kind of like a good view because it was the last one at the top, and just to show you guys me pulling the hair through and looping it, because that part is actually super easy, but the pulling the braid through is what took the longest, I think. Add some mousse to all of the hair to get the human hair to curl up and to just kind of get the braids to be a little more flat because I don't want to dip them. So yeah, I just put this Lotta Body all over, and I'm going to put a lot of it kind of on the bottom by the curls so we can get them to pop and have a nice little sheen to them. But yeah, this is everything. So I used almost 3 full bundles. So I didn't use the longest one because this was even too long for her. I ended up cutting it later that night. I ended up cutting them a little bit shorter for her because she doesn't like long hair, and I didn't even use the longest bundle, y'all. So I think they gave me 26, 24, 22, and 20 inch. So I used the 20, 22, and the 24 inch. But this is how long it was, and it took me about maybe 4.5 hours to do the entire head and the braid down. This is how it came out. It is dark now, you guys can see. And yeah, so I used 3 bundles, but I didn't use the full 3. So I used I maybe had like 10 left. So I used like 110 braids total. And now I'm just oiling her scalp. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.